Hello students, welcome again on my YouTube channel. This is Amit sir. I hope you all are fine. Now through this video I am going to start revision of chapter number 2, that is basic terms of accounting. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now for doing revision of chapter number 2, I am taking help of some objective type questions. First question says the long-term assets that have no physical existence but are right that have value is known as. Say, on reading the question हमें दो terms के ऊपर focus करना है. First, ये long-term asset है. Second, no physical existence. अब हम आते हैं categories of assets on the basis of physical existence. अगर आपको याद हो at the beginning of this chapter मैंने आपको बताया था we can categorize assets in two categories on the basis of physical existence. Those are tangible assets or intangible assets. Now, tangible assets means those assets which has physical existence, whereas intangible assets are those assets which does not have any physical existence. Therefore, answer of the given question is intangible assets. It means option C is correct. Now, question number 2, which says the assets that can be converted into cash within a shorter period, that is 1 year or less, are known as. अगर आपको याद हो, assets को period of holding के according हम दो categories में divide कर सकते हैं. Those two categories are first non-current assets, second current assets. Non-current assets are those assets which are held by any business organization for a longer period, whereas current assets means those assets which are held by any business house for converting them into cash within a short period. So by the definition of those two assets we can clearly say that option A is correct, which is current assets, because जो क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारा एसेट्स 1 ईयर में चेंज हो रहा है, एंड दैट कंडीशन कैन ओनली बी सेटिस्फाइड ओनली इन केस ऑफ करंट एसेट्स. Now, question number 3, the debt which are to be repaid within a shorter period, that is within a year or less, are known as. If you remember, on the basis of period of repayment, we can divide liabilities in two categories. वो दो categories थी, non-current liability और current liability. The liabilities which are to be paid within a year are known as current liability, whereas the liabilities which are to be repaid after 1 year, or we can say in a longer period, are termed as non-current liability. Now, as per the statement given here, we can say the liability about which they are talking about is current liability. Therefore, option A is correct. Now, question number 4, which says any written evidence in support of a business transaction is called. If you remember, मैंने आपको बताया था कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट जो किसी बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन और अकाउंटिंग ट्रांजैक्शन के सपोर्ट में एज ए एविडेंस शो किया जाता है उसे वाउचर बोलते हैं. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन, दैट एनी डॉक्यूमेंट विच कैन बी यूज एज एन एविडेंस इन सपोर्ट ऑफ अ बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन इज टर्म्ड एज वाउचर. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नाउ, which of the following is a liability? First, we must know the meaning of liability. Liability means the amount which is payable to the outsider or to the owner by the business is termed as liability. Liability can be categorized in two categories. Those are internal or external. And when the amount is payable to outsider, it is known as external liability. And when amount is payable to owner, then it will be termed as internal liability. Now, in the given question, options are cash. Cash तो एक एसेट होता है, करंट एसेट होता है. इक्विपमेंट, दैट इज ऑल्सो एन एसेट एंड इट इज एन नॉन करंट एसेट. डेटर, ये भी एक करंट एसेट होता है क्योंकि यहाँ से पैसा मिलना है, देना नहीं है. जहाँ देना होता है वो लायबिलिटी होता है. यस, डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. क्रेडिटर, क्रेडिटर मीन्स अ पर्सन फ्रॉम हुम वी परचेज गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज ऑन क्रेडिट एंड द अमाउंट फॉर विच स्टिल पेबल. इट मीन्स पैसा देना है एंड द पर्सन टू हुम मनी इज पेबल is known as liability. Therefore, option D is correct. Now, finally the last question for the day. Discount allowed is a kind of deduction from. ये हमने लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किया था। डिस्काउंट का मीनिंग होता है कोई भी छूट जो डेटर को दी जाती है। दोज थिंग्स आर नोन एज डिस्काउंट। नाउ फर्स्ट वी मस्ट नो डेटर फॉल्स अंडर विच कैटेगरी. It means the person from whom amount is receivable. Therefore, debtors are also known as account receivable. Hence, answer of the question is account receivable, which is option B. Now, time to say goodbye. And before ending this video, I just want to tell you all we will cover remaining objective type questions in next video. For the time being, goodbye and thank you. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.